In 2024, the world of electric biking is witnessing a remarkable evolution with the emergence of ultra-light electric bikes. These innovative two-wheelers combine cutting-edge technology with featherweight designs, offering a thrilling and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Whether you're a city dweller seeking a convenient commute or an adventure enthusiast craving off-road excitement, this list unveils the top 5 ultra-light electric bikes of 2024, each setting new standards in efficiency, portability, and performance. Join us as we explore the future of biking with these extraordinary electric rides. Number 5. ADO Air 20S. Introducing the ADO Air 20S, the urban commuter's dream e-bike, striking the perfect balance between functionality, durability, and style. Crafted meticulously with lightweight aluminum frame, the ADO Air 20S promises uncompromised durability, ensuring riders get the quality they deserve. At its heart lies a powerful 350-watt motor, boasting a torque of 42 Newton meters, capable of propelling the e-bike to speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour. Not just for raw speed, the thumb throttle ensures smooth transitions, while the 0 to 3 level pedal assist give riders that extra push when needed. Powering this urban marvel is a Samsung 36 volts 9.6 ampere hour battery, ensuring a whopping range of 62 miles on a single charge. And when it does run low, a quick 4 to 6 hours charge gets you back on the road. The IPS color display is not just aesthetically pleasing, but functional, providing riders with all essential information at a glance. The ADO Air 20S doesn't stop there. With its intelligent control system, riders are equipped with app navigation, dedicated customer support, and access to the innovative ADO Lab. The hydraulic disc brakes guarantee precise stops, while the front fork suspension ensures a comfortable ride on bumpy trains. Riding in the dark or rain? No worries. The ADO Air 20S comes with an IPX5 waterproof rating and a brilliant 1200 lumen light. The reflector taillight ensures safety by making riders visible to others. Priced at $1,569.99, the ADO Air 20S offers value for every penny, redefining urban e-biking standards. Number 4. Wowcat C1. The Wowcat C1 stands out as a game changer in the realm of electric bikes. From its sleek aesthetics to its exceptional features, it's evident that this e-bike was designed with the modern rider in mind. Constructed with a carbon fiber frame, the Wowcat C1 is impressively lightweight, weighing in at just 17.4 kilograms. Its feather-light composition doesn't compromise its strength or durability, a testament to the marvel of engineering. Furthermore, the foldable design guarantees portability, making it a perfect companion for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it's capable of reaching top speeds of 15.5 miles per hour. With the integration of a smart torque sensor, the bike adjusts its power output in real time, ensuring optimal performance. The Shimano 7-speed transmission allows riders to transition smoothly across various terrains, enhancing the biking experience. The e-bike's longevity is ensured by the Samsung 36 volt 10 ampere hour battery, providing an impressive range of 75 miles. When it's time to recharge, a mere 6-hour wait brings the bike back to full life. Riders are sure to appreciate the smart 3.5-inch TFT display, which offers real-time data at a glance. And with 20 by 2.3-inch tires, coupled with front and rear mechanical disc brakes, safety and control are never compromised. The integrated front and rear lights ensure visibility during nighttime rides. Priced at $1,688, the Wowcat C1 embodies the essence of modern e-biking, promising both style and substance. Number 3. Mihogo Mini Pro. Discover the Mihogo Mini Pro, an electric bike that brilliantly fuses innovative design with top-tier performance to deliver an unparalleled biking experience. With its sleek, compact design and foldable feature, the Mini Pro exemplifies modern urban mobility, offering practicality, coupled with a striking appearance. The heart of the Mini Pro houses a powerful 350-watt motor, boasting robust 35 Nm torque, allowing riders to reach exhilarating speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. Its state-of-the-art FOC control system ensures that power delivery is seamless and efficient, enhancing ride smoothness and responsiveness. Powered by a formidable 48-volt, 16-ampere-hour battery, the Mini Pro boasts an impressive range of 62 miles. Integrated with an advanced battery management system, it ensures that battery longevity and performance are optimized. With an IP65 waterproof rating, the Mini Pro is designed to thrive in various weather conditions, promising reliability and durability. The 2.4-inch multifunctional intelligent dashboard is a focal point of convenience, providing essential information with clarity and precision. Safety and control are paramount, with high-performance disc brakes and front light boasting 120 lumens, ensuring visibility and protection during rides. An innovative dual balance arc frame contributes to its stability, allowing the bike to support a substantial load capacity of up to 440 pounds. Retailing at $899, the Mihogo Mini Pro presents a remarkable option for those seeking a harmonious blend of innovation, style, and performance in their e-biking experience. Number 2. OXFO OX1 Max. Meet the OXFO OX1 Max, an embodiment of elegance and efficiency in the world of e-bikes. Touted as the most stylish fold and roll e-bike, the OX1 Max seamlessly blends design innovation with top-tier functionality, catering to the discerning urban commuter. Weighing a mere 16.5 kilograms, its lightweight design ensures maneuverability without compromising on strength. Powered by a 36-volt 7-ampere-hour battery, the OX1 Max promises an unparalleled range of 84 miles, ensuring that riders go the distance. And with a rapid charging time of just 3 to 4 hours, it's always ready for the next adventure. The bike's 250-watt smart motor, equipped with a torque sensor, ensures optimal power output. Complemented by a thumb throttle for effortless acceleration, riders can achieve speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, making city commutes brisk and enjoyable. The smart LCD display provides riders with real-time data, ensuring they're always informed. Safety and comfort remain paramount. The rear shock absorber promises a smooth ride, while the hydraulic disc brakes guarantee precise stops. Integrated front and rear lights ensure visibility, ensuring rider safety during nighttime commutes. Priced at $1,449.99, the OXFO OX1 Max is not just an e-bike, it's a statement promising unparalleled style, performance, and convenience. Number 1. Zectron Folding E-Bike. Introducing the Zectron Folding E-Bike, the epitome of cutting-edge design and technology in the realm of e-bikes. Crafted with precision, this e-bike incorporates an aerospace-grade magnesium alloy frame, renowned for its lightweight durability. Its unibody design, complemented by hidden wires, ensure a sleek and streamlined appearance, making it a visual delight for enthusiasts. The Zectron is powered by a robust 350-watt smart motor, equipped with a torque sensor that guarantees optimal power delivery at every turn. It effortlessly attains a top speed of 20 miles per hour with a Shimano 7-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth transitions across terrains. The 5-level pedal assist caters to varied riding preferences, offering tailored experience for every journey. A standout feature is its impressive 150-mile range, courtesy of a removable internal battery. This ensures that riders can embark on extended adventures without the anxiety of frequent recharging. The built-in 3.9-inch LCD display, integrated seamlessly, provides riders with essential data at a glance. Enhanced with a proprietary Zectron app, riders can access a suite of features, making every ride smarter and more intuitive. The GPS anti-theft system ensures peace of mind, securing the e-bike against potential threats. Safety is paramount with rear hydraulic suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and 20 by 2.1-inch tires, ensuring a controlled, comfortable ride. The bike also boasts a load capacity of 300 pounds, making it versatile for varied users. Priced At $1,099, the Zectron folding e-bike signifies a transformative shift in urban e-biking, setting a new benchmark in design, functionality, and affordability. Thank you for watching our review of the top 5 best ultra-light electric bikes of 2024. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring more great content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, reviews, and expert insights on cutting-edge electric bikes.